Okay, now we are going to create our pages for the website and our menus. So let's start by pages. We're going to go to pages, all pages, and we're gonna select sample page and delete that one because it comes by default with the WordPress. We don't need that one. We're gonna move it to trash and apply. So we have no pages. Let's start building our website pages. Add new. Okay, let's start by typing our home page, for example. And as you can see here, you can type your homepage name and you can make it public or even private or publish immediately or even later in that part. And here we have more customization option and building to our page. We're gonna come to that in a little while. So now let's publish that page. And as you can see, this is our permalink / home for that page. Now let's add another one. We're gonna call it, for example, about us. I'm gonna publish. Okay, now we have our about us page. We can close that one for opt-in monster and that one as well for WP forms to make it cleaner, and add new page. And let's call this one start here, and we're gonna make it under the about us page. Another one, sorry, add new page. We're gonna call it contact us. Okay, and publish the page. Those pages are blank and empty by now. We're gonna come to design them in a little while. Now let's set our home page by going to settings, then reading, and now let's make it a static page, and we can select our home to be our default home page. Now you're telling WordPress that our home page is home, so whenever anyone types your website name, it will enter on the home page, which we're gonna design in a little while. So now let's save that. Okay, let's now go to customize our menu. Let's give it a name, main menu, for example, and let's create that menu. Now we have our menu is blank and empty. We can add those pages from here to our menu. We can check those pages and add them, but now it's telling me the menu setting, and we can choose whether it's gonna be in top bar in that part of the website, or main or footer at the lower section, and we're gonna see that in practical in a little while. Let's select those pages first and add them to menu. And you can also add posts, custom links, or categories. And we're gonna make homepage at the beginning, and we're gonna put about us second one, and let's put that start here as a sub menu, and we're gonna leave that contact us here. You can add more pages later, and we're gonna save menu. We have those are all pages, none of them is custom links. You can add a custom link to your menu and make it reachable for your viewers, but let's save our menu like that. And now we didn't choose our place. We're gonna do that on our website to see how it looks like. Let's visit our website. Okay, this is how it looks like now. No menu is appearing. We're gonna customize that to show our menu. I'm gonna press on customize, and that part where you customize most of your website looks like the typography, the widgets, menu, footer section, header, and all that can be customized from here as a front end display. We're gonna see now menus, main menu, and let's make menu location, let's make it main menu. Now this is a main menu location. I personally like that location for the menu, but you can make it on the top bar, for example, in the part of the screen, or even at the footer section lower, and you can hide that one, make it on the top bar. That's how it looks like in the top bar. And as you can see, we made that start here page in sub menu, under about us. So let's make it at the main position, as I like that one, feel more comfortable with that part. And let's save and publish. And now we have our menu set. Also, we can customize our main menu again from here instead of the dashboard. Okay, done with that. Let's close that part. Let's go do some stuff to our homepage and make it even more blank and clear from that sidebar. We're gonna remove that sidebar and that margin, and we're gonna remove that title. Let's do that in a very easy way in our dashboard. Let's go to our pages and we're gonna choose all pages. Then we're gonna choose our home page. Okay, let's customize our home page. Doing that by going to the Ocean WP settings. From here, we have the content layout. We're gonna make that 100% full width for the website. And sidebar, we're gonna make it on default. And we're gonna disable the margins, those white bar, this white section of our menu. Margins, we're gonna disable that. And let's go to header. For the top bar, we're gonna disable that bar and enable the display header. And for the main navigation menu, we're gonna choose our main menu, the one we just created. And for the site title, which is like homepage, we're gonna disable that one. And then we are going to update that one. Now let's check our website. Okay, now when we refresh our website, it's gonna look even more empty than that. We're gonna get rid of all that. Let's refresh and see how it looks like. Okay, now we're gonna start building our website in a very easy way and a cleaner way for the homepage. Okay, now it's your part. Go create your pages and create your menu and customize your dashboard in the WordPress, and see you in next lesson.